Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and make sure you have connectivity, because some systems sync analytics. Now open Settings and go directly to Battery or Power. You need to locate the battery usage screen that shows app-by-app consumption and any analytics toggle. Once that screen appears, take note of the time frame shown and whether a show activity or battery health and usage option is visible. This gives you the starting point for removing or resetting usage records. You now perform the core action. Select the appropriate control labeled Reset Usage, Clear History, or Turn off Battery Analytics, then back on to force a reset. If your OS hides the option, open Diagnostic and Usage or System Diagnostics and remove recent logs that feed the battery graph. Make sure to confirm any prompts. The system may need a minute to purge cached metrics. Once done, return to the battery screen to verify the graph zeroes out or shows only new data. Finish by verifying the history. Reopen the battery screen and confirm the timeline now shows new data starting after your reset. If it still displays older entries, reboot the device and reattempt the clear. Sometimes caches persist until a reboot. Make sure your OS is up to date, because updates can fix logging bugs. If nothing works, disable analytics in device management or privacy settings and enable it again to force a fresh log. This usually resolves stubborn history that won't clear.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.